Let's do the karma cleansing ritual. And since it is a Saturday and a day after, I would say, new moon, I guess this is the best time, and the universe has literally conspired. I didn't plan to do this. It's just things are falling in place. So I hope everybody has a candle with themselves, which was mentioned in the post. That is, you need to have it either a white or a purple or a green candle. Okay. So also you need to carry a salt with yourself. So you can keep a salt bowl next to you, or you can go ahead and take water in a glass bowl, glass, in a glass material, and you can put salt inside the water, and you can keep that water also next to you.
Ashik, quick question.
Yes.
Deepa is asking,
Yeah.
can two people share one candle?
Nope. No.
All right. And Kavita is asking, she has an orange or a red candle. Would that work?
No. No, my
Okay.
dear.
All
Every
right.
candle has a different, the colors have a different role in your life. So does the colors of the candle. So you cannot, if you don't have, purple or green, please go with the white. White everybody would have in their house, right?
Okay. All right.
Even if it's a
And
birthday candle, it will also do. That's no issues.
nice. Yeah. Tea light will also do, right?
Tea
Pooja is
light will
asking.
also do.
Right.
Absolutely.
Okay. And
Okay.
Deepa is asking, can her son of 17 years do this ritual?
Absolutely.
All right.
Till the
And
time he's
one,
careful, he can.
okay, sure. And Sushma is asking, do we need to put our feet on the ground?
If you can, if you have the space to go ahead and put it on the ground, you can. Otherwise, it's okay if you're even in the cross legs position. That's
All
completely
right.
fine.
All right.
Be the way you are, be comfortable. That's what I want you to all to do.
All right.
Okay. And be
Ashik.
careful with the fire. I hope everybody takes good care of it. So let's dive in, Shilpa.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll just mute
Okay.
myself and go off video.
Okay. All right. So everybody, I hope you have a white candle or a purple, a violet or a green. Okay. Anyone would do. You would also have a salt. So it was recommended to have a rock salt. If you have a rock salt, great. If you don't, you can carry kitchen salt also. That is also fine. And if you don't want to keep the salt, please use a glass bowl or a glass material glass. Okay. Now, this ritual has to be done every new moon or on any Saturday. Okay. The frequency is you can do it once in 6 months, once in 3 months, or once in a year. It's absolutely fine. It's as and when you can. Now, everybody has a pen and paper, right? If you don't, please go ahead and grab yourself a pen and a paper. I want you all first write down all the names of people whom you need to forgive. Okay. So it could be somebody who has hurt you, somebody who has gone ahead and done wrong to you, or somebody, it could be anyone. It could be your relative, parents, family, colleague, partner, in any ways hurt you. Write down the name of all the people whom you need to forgive. Even those, if they are 10 number, you can go ahead and do that.
Ashik, quick question.
Yes.
Can these people be alive or dead?
No, they have to be alive, darling.
All right.
We don't tap into the energy of people who have passed away.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, so anybody who is alive, people, if they have passed away and they have done wrong to you, just send them the light. Let them go ahead and mix to the source of light. So I hope by now you would have at least got 5 to 6, people's name, or if you have less than that, that's fantastic. If you have more, you need to work on more. Now, I want you all to write down the names of all the people whom you have done wrong, intentionally, unintentionally. It could also be, for example, at work, because it was a professional requirement. It could also be because you wanted to go ahead and save someone you loved, hence you had to go ahead and, do wrong to them to save your loved one. It could be anyone. Again, family, friends, strangers, anything whom you have done wrong. Let's write down the names of people whom you have done wrong. Once we are done with that, let's jump on to the problems you're facing currently in your life. What are the problems you're facing currently in your life? It could be financial, it could be relationship, it could be health, it could be anything. It could be as simple as uh, not able to go ahead and express and communicate effectively. It could be even you want to travel, but you're unable to because of the lockdown and most of the embassies being closed. Anything. Now I want everyone to light the white candle or the purple, that is a violet, or a green, whichever candle you have. Please light that candle out of these three. And I want you to repeat this prayer in your mind, or even if you want to listen, you can just listen and acknowledge. Dear God, goddesses, please send Archangel Metatron and millions of angels to bless me in this karma ritual. The Archangel Zadkiel, millions of peace and forgiveness angels, please help me to completely and totally forgive myself and others. Please also help me to completely and totally forgive and forget the ones I have mentioned in the paper for their behavior towards me. Please heal with divine light that part of me which is finding it difficult to forgive me. I also sincerely request to be forgiven completely for any action, words, thoughts, or deeds that have caused any pain, resentment to anyone, living or dead, in all directions of time across lifetimes. Please help me to be compassionate towards other people and myself. This or better. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Once you're done listening to the prayer and sending your white light, sending your energy, hold the paper in your hand. It could be any hand, and salt in the other. Okay. And while you're going ahead and thinking that you have forgiven people, you have gone ahead and asked for forgiveness, put that salt and paper in a steel plate. Okay. Put it on the paper, and once let it be for there for 1 or 2 minutes. After that, please tear the paper and throw the salt as well as the paper in a dustbin. Keep the salt on a paper for at least 1 minute. Once you're done, please tear it and throw it in the dustbin and have water. You can go ahead and repeat this ritual every 6 months or whenever at the comfort of your home. Whenever you feel that you need to go ahead and forgive or ask for forgiveness, please go ahead and do this ritual. It's simple, powerful, and it can be done on any new moon or even on, on any Saturdays, because Saturdays are related to Saturn, and Saturn is, I would say, related to forgiveness, and it's a planet. It's a pretty heavy planet, I would say. So you can do this ritual on Saturdays.
Ashi, thank you. That was quick. Pooja
It
is
was
saying
quick.
that was pretty fast.
It is. It's simple,
So
like I
is
said.
that really, yeah.
It's a
Is
matter
that
of
what it takes?
It just takes few minutes. It just takes your awareness. You need to go ahead and write and do certain things, and that's about it. But
All
you have
right.
to follow the
Ashi,
timings. Yes.
Sorry. Yeah. People are asking a few questions about this exercise. We'll take them.
Okay.
We'll immediately address them. And in fact, we also want from you a couple of colors which we can use through the week. So, let's wait for that. But before that, we'll just take a couple of questions people are asking about this exercise. What do you do with the salt water?
You need to throw it. If you have carried salt water and not salt, so you throw it after tearing the paper.
All right. And paper has to be torn and thrown in the dustbin?
Yes.
All
paper
right.
has to be
and
torn.
What about the candle?
You can just sniff it after some time.
Please don't.
After some time, you can just sniff the candle. Yeah.
Okay. Or do we need to let it burn out?
If you feel it's a small candle, you can keep it, let it go ahead and sniff out all by itself as per the divine timing. But if you want to go ahead and if it's a big candle, a pillar candle or something, and you want to go ahead and not use the whole thing, then just sniff it after a few minutes.
Right. And Anika is asking, can you do this ritual for others? Of course, after learning it in your course. That's what you do, right?
Absolutely.
I mean, this is a part of your workshop in more detail. And you explain us how we can do this for others as well. That's fantastic. Right.